YouTube? I am back with another video, and today I've got a car show to go to. If you follow me and you're subscribed to me, you know that I went to a car show last month and got denied well over $1 million worth of cars, and they said they didn't have enough room. I'm like, all right, fine, you know. So we go into the car show and there was nothing there. I mean, like literally there was nothing interesting at the car show. They told us to get there earlier, so today we're gonna get there a little earlier. Try to get a couple spots that are lined up together. I think I'm taking the purple Demon, the blue 2024 Super Snake, and maybe one more. Not sure which one yet. We'll see. I've got a friend of mine that's going to be driving them, so my camera guys should be here soon. As soon as they get here, we'll start rolling. Y'all need to give me ideas, man. Give me things that y'all want to see besides just, you know, rollers and POVs, and maybe y'all like that stuff. But is there anything else y'all want to see? Because I got all this stuff and just want to do what y'all want, you know. Whatever y'all want me to do, I'm willing to do it. Let me know. I'm currently about to wash the cars just to get them ready, get them prepped for tonight. I got 3 cars to wash, unfortunately, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You're taking the blue one. Yeah. Y'all are gonna take the jailbreak. Okay. Who's driving? You're driving?
I'll drive it. I'll drive it. I'll hop out.
You're driving back
and film.
Yeah. You're jumping out when we get there to film?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, is it dead?
Last time it was dead. Is it dead?
About to find out.
You just make a video.
Nope.
All right.
Flags, bro.
3 doors down.
All right. Put those cool seats on, crack the windows, make the sunroof go up a little bit.
Have fun.
You ready?
I miss you. Hello. Hello.
Nasty.
Come on. Come on. Oh, I'm gonna give you my car keys.
He's like in Barney.
It gets louder and louder every time. I swear it does. Every time.
You, what you got there?
Was it a Redeye Jailbreak?
Yeah. So.
We got Barney. We got 25 Mustang. And we got a Jailbreak. Instant power. Instant. Absolutely instant. It is scary how quick this thing puts power to the ground. Because I drive a Jetta. So I'm not used to this.
This is a whole new world.
This is completely different, bro. I'm used to stepping on the gas in the Jetta, giving it maybe 2 seconds, and then we're gone. Not this thing. This thing is immediate. It's so scary how immediate this thing is.
He's scared.
I'm terrified.
Crazy.
I hope y'all can hear the whine on this thing. Oh my god!
here was like, he goes, dude, you didn't get a GT and a manual? I was like, two things. One, that's not a GT. Two, they don't make manuals in Super Snakes. He goes, oh, that's a Super Snake? Yeah, it's a Super Snake.
Bro, he probably asked me like 6 questions. I'm like, dude, let me back up first, and then I'll talk to you. No problem. But
I love being in the, like, you know, in my garage, and all of a sudden I hear a hairdryer outside.
It's a vacuum cleaner.
I'm like, I open the door and it's Ricky. Is the landscapers out there? What are they doing? It comes out.
It looks like it melted up.
I'll show you on my car.
I've never.
So bad.
Yeah, I don't have that problem yet.
Get like glue, like super glue.
I've watched
and leave it
YouTube
in.
videos, and you have to take off like the inside door panel and shit. And I'm like, yeah, no, I'm not that. No.
You should watch this YouTube.
I don't drive.
So what's his YouTube channel?
I don't drive that a ton. That's probably why it hadn't.
Oh, well, I'm
Came
It's
up.
also inside. I think leaving it outside is what makes it work.
probably. Mine's
Yeah.
in the sun all the time.
Same.
So yeah.
Same. So what was your problem?
What you want to do?
I don't know. Some did the window seal
Yeah.
coming
So
up.
I'll show you on your car. Demonstrate. Okay. This stuff, like here, over here, up there, it just comes up.
That's
like,
weird.
It literally just comes up, and then like you can see like the yellow foam from inside, and like my windows aren't tinted, so it looks so bad. But it comes up literally everywhere after like probably 80, 75, 80, 90,000 miles.
Well,
I think they like your car.
oh yes they do.
Sent a snap to my friend because he passed his name.
It's hard not to like.
Uh-huh.
I was like, yo, I'm in this. Passing you. I was like, little boy.
He's about to.
If he likes this thing.
If he likes that, his piss bag's about to fall down his pants leg. I'm not kidding.
That's the thing, you gotta look at the KR though, to know what it is. Like you gotta look.
Oh no! If you're a Shelby knower, when you see a KR, you drop to your knees. It's that rare.
Pause.
No, you drop. You drop. No. There's no pause. There's no pause. You drop to your knees.
Something in the air.
You're good.
Are you at a weird angle?
Yeah, no, you're perfect. Just keep coming back. Straight.
You good?
Yep. Right there. Right there. Oh, probably should lock my car. Oh, I have Ricky's keys too.
What? See this car in season 5 of Stranger Things. Wow. That's crazy.
What?
Oh, dude, this is
What?
what's his name?
I don't watch Stranger Things, but this is
The
cool.
older brother's car.
That's crazy.
That is insane.
Warehouse though. A warehouse. I have this car in a warehouse.
You know, I was talking about E-Rays. That was an E-Ray. It's not a Z6.
Oh yeah.
So nice. I want one of these so bad. And it's great. Ooh, Hennessy Camaro. Not as cool as the old.
Is it?
Yeah, HP.
Viper?
No, because I didn't see the side of it. I just saw like the very
RT.
Hey man.
Target dog.
Yeah, no.
I love that color.
Barney, bro.
Old Barney. What the heck?
What's he wearing?
I don't know. He's talking to himself.
Chill guy.
It's a chill dude looking in a car.
I bet it sounds like that. Sounds just like it.
I just guessed. I couldn't see.
Pretty sweet. You guys are beautiful, man.
Have a good one. That's beautiful. I bet that thing kind of moves.
I would eat that guy's Jeep. Yeah, I might have to do side pipes on my Jeep. I don't know.
Oh my God.
I might have to. We don't know
You can't
yet.
fit him out the back.
Well, I have options. It's either get the new AMW exhaust they just came out with, or side pipes.
Side pipes. Side pipes. Jeep with side pipes? You kidding me? Like,
The quiet E-Ray.
That's pretty, man.
That is you know, that.
yeah! Come on! I love those. I would get one of those. Hot take. I would get one of those over a Z06. Hot take. Hot take.
That's extremely hot.
It is a hot take, but I'll take it.
That is scorching.
Very hot. It's scorching.
I was like, I called my work. I'm like, yo, I have a new car. No, it's the car didn't matter. It was an old car. Oh, okay. But I was like, guys, I got a great. I'm scared. This is. Wow, I'm already at a loss for words. That's so crazy how that's the effect of these cars, bro. Should I put it in manual?